to my blooming TV. I'm just giving you an update of my garden this year. If you want to see how I planted some of my stuff, you can go to my old videos and see. Here we have some spinach, and as you can see, if you don't harvest them quickly, it goes into seeds. I've harvested these ones about 3 to 4 times, so I'm more than happy to get some seeds from there. And here I have my Nigerian F4. They are so big and beautiful this year. Just look at that. They are looking really gorgeous. Here I have a little bit more spinach growing there and some F4. So if you want to plant your vegetables, you want to plant them at intervals. That way you can keep harvesting all through. Look at how big these F4 leaves are. Over here I have some Swiss chard, and there's a little bit of kale in there if you can see it. And then this year I decided to plant some corn, and as you can see, they are doing amazingly well. Over to my next bed, I have some more Swiss chard coming up, and I have one pepper over there. And look at my potatoes, guys. They are doing fabulously well as usual. Potatoes are very easy to plant. And here I have a little bit of knick-knack peppers and stuff coming up. And I'm not sure what's going on with my carrots. There's some of it coming up. And here I have some lettuce and romaine also coming out. You can see them there. And over here I have zucchini. So I decided to try the round zucchinis this year. I'm just going to show it to you. They are round. Yeah, you can see that zucchini is round. So I started harvesting some of it already. Really easy to grow. I have more carrots here, some F4 coming up, and then I have some cucumbers at the back there. And over here I have more cucumbers, and these ones I think they are cucumbers because they're climbing up. And then I have more zucchini because I planted yellow and green zucchini, and then I also planted some cucumbers. So here I have my herbs from 2 years ago. So I have spearmint, lemon balm, and some oregano. So they do take some time and then a little bit of time. So if you want to see some of my garden journey, that is my pear tree. So if you want to see some of my garden journey, go on my blooming TV and just go under my playlist where I have the garden, and you'll see how easy it is to grow some of this stuff for yourself. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. For my F4, I let some go into seed so that I can get seeds from last year. So all these ones I planted them from seeds I got last year. Okay, so you can plant, keep some of your seeds, and have them for the coming year. All right, until next time when I bring you another exciting episode, have a blessed day.